Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd like to welcome you. My name is Yvette Quale. I like to create craft tutorials for beadwork, junk journaling, paper crafting, and more. I also do completed journal flip-throughs. I do reveals for my Etsy shop. I share other Etsy shops, and I do a lot of other fun stuff. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you a couple things that I've been working on. So this one I'll show you in a little bit. Over here, I have some wax seals that I made. These are for a custom order. They'll be going into an ephemera folder, and the request was for shabby chic or pastel colored roses. So each one of these has a rose motif on them and or flowers, and so went ahead and did those. And I like to mix up the wax seals so you get a little bit of marbling going on. So if you guys are interested in these, go ahead and message me. My email is in the description box, and I'm happy to make custom orders for these wax seals. So just showing you real quick here. So there's going to be 12 in this ephemera holder, and I am working on the holder, so when I get that done, hopefully I'll be able to share that with you as well here on my channel. So the other item I want to show you is an ephemera holder. This is a stuffed ephemera holder, and it's a double-sided pocket. So on the back there we have another pocket, actually two pockets. And if you guys are interested in knowing how I made this, I did make this a little different than I make most of my ephemera holders, and I do have a video on how I make one with a paper bag, but this one I made with cardstock. On the front here I tie it off with a piece of crocheted jute here, and then you get two junk journal jewelry pieces. First one is a hand beaded tassel here. These are handmade glass beads at the top there, and then it has vintage leaves on the bottom and some pearls in the middle there. So very spring colored. I'm really working on a lot of spring things right now. The other tassel or charm that you get here, or tassel, is a little butterfly. Now this is one that my mom made. These are little tiny beads here, and delicate beads, and she made that, and I thought it just went perfectly with this journal. So you'll get both of those and the tie that comes with it. So let's go ahead and look at the tags that I made. All of these are tags that are in here. So on the bottom here I have a pocket, and then I have made a master board for all the tags and then cut it up. And then I've made just little different pockets. Has a little bit of Edith Holden on there, a vintage button at the top and the bottom, and then a little bit more Edith Holden on the back. And then this beautiful paper here, I hope that picks up the detail. This is a swap that I'm doing with my friend Cheryl, and so I'll share her channel here as well. She makes beautiful papers, and I have a whole pile of them. And then here I have some words. I don't know where I got these. It's a digital, and I don't remember where I got it. These are from Tracy Fox, which is LoveJunkJournals on Etsy, and these are Betty's Custom Creations are the numbers there, and then the images here are also Tracy Fox. So I'll try to remember to put a link in there. Again, all these are collaged on the back, and I forgot to mention they all have hand stitching around the outside of them, and they are all double decorated. So they either have that one's polka dot too, so there's either polka dot or black and white striped on the back. Thought that was a nice little contrast. Here we have one that has the number on it. It's got a little washi tape, a little vintage button there, and a little B card or pocket. And this is just a little journal card that opens up, tucks right in the top there. Did a little bit of stamping and a sticker on there, again with the hand stitching around it and the Edith Holden on the back there. So as you can see, this holder has a pocket at the bottom. I put a little bit of Edith Holden on here, put another pocket here, and notched it at the top. So let's go ahead and look at this journal card. So it's got a little B pocket and a little B journal card in there. It's got a little B right there on washi tape, and then a sticker and a number, and again the button with a little bit of lace, and again on the back all fancied up. So let's look at this journal card. That's just all layered up on there. And again, there's a striped on there, so polka dots and stripes. This one is a little sticker I got at the Dollar Tree. Did a little bit of my hands drawing on here, around here. That's on most of them, well, on all of them. And then let's turn this over. I have a top loading pocket here with 2 cards in it. So as you can see, this is a little bit different because the pocket is just on one side. Because on this side, the way I folded it, I made this into a side pocket. So if you guys are interested in how I made this ephemera holder, please go ahead and comment in the comments below on this video. I'll see those, and then hopefully we can do a future video on that if you guys are interested. So follow your dreams, love that. Little bird on there, bird sticker, and then vintage button on there. So they all, as you can see, they kind of all have the same elements, but they're all very different looking, but they all coordinate together. Again, Cheryl's beautiful paper there, and a little bit of washi tape down here, a little ticket on there, and then one of my wax seals. And then this is your side pocket over here. So again, if you want to learn how I made this, it's pretty simple, but if you would like a tutorial on that, I would be happy to share that with you guys. So there it is. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 10 journal cards. You get the tassel, the butterfly charm, and then the ephemera holder, and then the closure. And that will be uploaded here in just a little bit in my Etsy shop. So again, that link is in the description box. And yeah, I just wanted to share that. I'm going to try to pull over here some of the pages that Cheryl made me, just so you guys can see some of her beautiful work. And I will be putting those in a journal. I'm also going to be working on a kit from Cheryl, so you'll be seeing that here in my upcoming video. It will be a while, but we will have it coming. So as you can see, she's done some very beautiful coffee dyed and different kinds of dyeing on the ephemera that she sent me. So I'll be creating for her. I have created. I'm mailing it off this week, and she'll be getting that. So beautiful work. I just love all the lace and soft colors, and these will be great additions to some upcoming things I have planned. So swaps are a great way to get other people's work, and then also you can use it in your own work and make creations that maybe you wouldn't normally make, because I don't really do dyed paper, so I've tried it and I'm not very good at that, so I always love to trade that. So as you can see, she does really beautiful pages, very soft muted colors, and I just love them. So thank you, Cheryl, for sharing your artistic talent with me, and I hope you like what we're trading. Okay, you guys, so that's all I have for you today. Again, if you want to learn how to make that ephemera holder, just let me know in the comments. And if you would like to purchase this kit, it will be available in my Etsy shop. I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and have a great day. Thank you very much.